Well, we established the DuBose Institute for Dentistry, first of all, about 10 years ago. It represents a shining star in the dental profession. It's one of the only African-American continuing education companies that's going, and I wanted to grow and be bigger and just represent the African-American community and other minority communities in the United States.
Well, what I enjoy about attending the DuBose Institute for Dentistry events is the currency of the material, being able to network with other doctors in the area and find out what's new in the field of dentistry. Well, the social events and the continuing education events have helped me as a dentist because everything is relevant. I'm able to take what I've learned at the Institute back to my practice and apply it to patients that I see daily. I would absolutely encourage other dentists and students to attend the DuBose Institute for Dentistry events.
We established the DuBose U program in '08, and the purpose of the DuBose U program was to involve the dental students from the dental schools in the area to give them exposure to dentists and other professionals that have completed dental school so they can have resources or people to go to or see shining examples.
I feel that the DuBose U Cocktail Hour is a great way to go ahead and meet local dentists in the DC area and ask questions about residencies, externships, and internships that you normally don't get to ask to a professor in school because of how we're mainly focused on academics. These cocktail hours provide a great way to go ahead and meet local dentists on a one-on-one and ask these questions.
One of the big advantages that the DuBose U program offers to the dental students is exposure both on the practice management side as well as on the clinical side. And just giving them the idea of what's going to be expected of them and what's coming down the pipe once they graduate from dental school. Those type of things is what I got from my mentor after dental school. But I figured it would have been even more helpful to get those while you're in dental school.
I feel that the DuBose U mentorship program is an excellent program, and I would definitely recommend it to my friends because a lot of us have these types of questions on even how do I start a practice? I mean, personally, we don't learn those things in school. We learn, how to do an extraction, how to do a filling, but you never really learn the business aspect of a dental practice. And I feel like one of these programs is an excellent way to go ahead and ask these questions and get them answered.
One of the big things of involving the students in the DuBose U program is giving them early exposure to the continuing education. I think there's a need in the community to involve the dental students in everything. So I try to have dental students at all of our functions and all of our programs.
The biggest problem I see out here today is a lot of dentists do not do continuing education. So I think with getting the students involved in continuing education early in their dental school careers, hopefully they'll stay involved after they finish dental school. I would like them to become involved in the DuBose Institute for Dentistry as a practicing dentist in order to focus on the aspect of continuing education and helping them grow and prosper within the dental profession.
Smile, as they say, is the entrance into the soul, so to speak. But it has a lot to say about the personality. And being able to smile and it tells a lot about you personally. Changing lives one smile at a time was an experience that we had a couple of years ago with working with some of the homeless patients. Most of them had missing front teeth, missing teeth, or no teeth at all, and they can't even get a job anywhere because of their smile. That's when I started getting involved with homeless and changing their smiles, and so we wanted to choose one patient at a time. I've had the opportunity to work with a bunch of great guys, Dr. Malone, Dr. Frazier, and other doctors that's involved with the Institute and our implant study club. Bringing all of that expertise and those years of experience and exposures and bringing all those people together for a common cause.
Dr. DuBose had brought up this patient's case some time back and told me a story, and I was moved by the story and the energy that he and the other doctors involved had.
Because of the relationship I have with Dr. DuBose, I was asked to bring my expertise. I was informed of the goodwill that's being projected, and it made me feel that not only could I significantly contribute, but it's every once in a while you want to do things that are going to make you feel good, and getting paid doesn't always make you feel good.
We're here, and I don't even know if anybody even thought about what it costs because we just understand the bigger picture of what we're trying to do here. And so we want to make sure that we're changing lives you know, and that's how we're giving back. If you would like to get involved, please give us a call at our office, 202-364-6550, or find us on the internet at DuBoseInstitute.com.